verify the play of the bearings on the main journals or on the cramping journals. Both of them, they have your own bearings, and I need to verify how much is the play of those bearings. If you don't have the manual, it's impossible. You need the manual. For example, this is the manual of this engine. If you check here, they say that I am talking about the bearings, no? They say the radial play on a con rod bearings journals. This is the maximum play allowed. The play allowed is between 0.04 to 0.1.
Okay.
This is the maximum play allowed
Okay.
to consider that is acceptable. If you have that play, when the oil enter over there, produce a film with enough pressure on the system. If you have more play, when the oil enter over there, the pressure is not
Is 0.04 the minimum?
minimum.
Is that the minimum? And then
maximum
0.1 is the
0.1.
maximum.
Correct.
Okay.
And if you are in that range, this engine is considered that it's okay in terms of tolerance on those bearings. No? We are going to verify that. To verify that, we are going to use the plastic gauge. The plastic gauge is basically a piece of plastic, a filament of a plastic. In this particular case, that one is green, you see? That one is green. And the tolerance, when I squeeze that plastic, is between, in inches, is between 0.025 and 0.076.
No.
Probably this one is good for us because we are in the range between 0.04 and 0.1.
Oh, so it's
Yeah.
right in the middle of both of it.
Exactly. We are here because this one is between 0.004 and 0.009.
God, can you even see it?
And this one is between 0.051 and 0.125. It's a little.
Bigger. Bigger.
Yeah, I think that this one is the plastic case recommended for our. And if you check here, when we do the test, we can use one portion of this paper to verify the deformation. If the deformation is in the Y or in the first green or in the second Y or in the second green. Okay, our deformation should be 0.04, no? Okay, this one 0.038 is pretty close.
But I don't understand, what is this though?
When I compress the filament on the bearings, because I torque, I put a piece of filament. I remove the cap, I put a piece of filament, and I torque again. And after that, I check the deformation of the plastic. If the deformation is in this area, in the Y one, probably my bearings are in good condition. Let me explain that.
Yeah.
I am going to remove one main journal, for example this one. All right. You need to be careful. Let me explain something. Before we remove the main journal. Look at the main journal. The main journal, they have an arrow. You see?
Yeah.
All of them, they have an arrow.
Yeah.
You see the arrow?
Yeah.
Okay. That arrow is facing the oil bracket. You need a reference because when you put it back, you don't remember if it's up or down. In this particular case, it should be down. We don't need to move the block, and it's with respect to the oil bracket here. All right, good.
Yeah.
And now when we remove those caps, the caps of the connecting rods, we need other reference. I am going to explain later. Before we remove pistons and crankshaft, let me show you something. Look at this. This is the area in particular where the dipstick is located. Before I remove the pistons, look at this. All the pistons, they have a pocket,
Yeah.
but this pocket is a little off. In this particular case, the offset is facing here.
It's off?
Is up. You see? The small area is here, and the big area is in the bottom,
Oh.
close to the connecting rod. This is why it's important to take a picture in this moment. Where is the offset? Here or here?
Oh.
You know? Because after that, if you put the piston opposite, the engine no crank. Okay, I am going to remove this cap. Okay. This one should be located This is the journal number. Look at this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Gotcha.
This is the number 3, and it should be located here in the position number 3. That's okay?
Yeah.
Look at this,
Put
guys.
it
I am going to clean the grease here in this bearing, and I am going to clean the grease here because I want to put the piece of plastic here.
Okay.
But I wanted that the surface be completely dry, no oil.
Oh, I see.
And also during the process of the plastic gaze, I don't want to rotate the crankshaft because I squeeze the plastic. No, during that process I don't touch the bearings and I don't touch the crankshaft, and the crankshaft should be completely dry.
Yeah.
And I am going to cut it a piece of plastic gauge. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
The glue. The glue is not working. Okay, it's working. Okay, and now I am going to check the torque recommended for those bolts. The torque is 90 foot-pounds for this type of bolts. Can you prepare the big one for 90, please? I approximate with my hands. All right,
Just tighten it.
it's approximated, and now I need the torque. Okay, this is foot-pounds. I am 80 here, and 5 here is 75. That's correct. Okay, and I am going to use the socket, and I am going to torque. Okay.
Oh, as soon as you hear the click, it's
Yeah, the
Done.
click, and that's it. No, don't continue. You hear the click? Bingo, finito.
Okay.
And now, to remove the bolts, don't use the torque wrench.
Okay.
use the breaker bar.
Use the breaker bar. Okay. Okay. Now the moment of truth. Okay. You see the deformation here?
Yes.
You have that one, or you have that one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And we are going to check. I'm going to cut it. Okay, between 0.04
.01.
and
And 0.1.
and 0.1.
0.041.
Okay, this one is in this. No?
Yeah.
This one is 0.051.
Right,
So
so that's
It's
in
okay.
the range,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's okay. Okay, my bearings are good.
You just check one or you check all of them?
No, we are going to check all of the main journals to verify if all of them are identicals.
Okay.
Pay attention. What happened if I found it in the cylinder where the water entered and the cylinder was corroded, that the play is too much? What means that? In the moment of the explosion with water, the effort was too much and damaged the bearing over there. The recommendation is
Change all of them.
Yeah, replace all of them, and
Got to get the balance.
yeah, but if you are in the middle of the ocean, minimum replace all of them, not only one. That's okay. We are going to verify how much is the tolerance in the other 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other 6, and we are going to verify if all of them are in the same. Okay. Now main journals.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Okay, and don't forget, putting back this one exactly here because this is.
Number
Or you can verify that one. You can put provisionally this one here
Okay.
to avoid
Confusion.
confusion, like this, and remove this, verify this, remove this, verify this. All of them should be according with the second one, no? Point
Yeah,
the
point,
second one.
yeah.
You let the paper here, and you are ready.
Okay.
The doctor of this engine, the doctor of that engine, and the doctor of that engine. It's exactly the same.